And hello guys, sorry but it took me a long time because my post. I'm very lazy, so please don't unsubscribe to me. And we're gonna test all of our cars. First up we have the Kia truck. Sorry if I am saying the names of these trucks, cars, or anything wrong. Names wrong. And I did not make this because I can't make anything with this much effort on it. Maximum boost. Oh, that's kind of cool. There you go. Now it's going super fast. Always flips. I don't know why. Truck is bouncing like some kind of game. 3 and a 2 and a scudlater. Oh! It almost got decapitated. Car almost got Okay, the car is off balance. Now let's test some more cars. Boat car. I did not make this because I can't make anything with this much effort. Okay. Kilometers, 3 kilometers. What the heck is that? What is this? I think it's glitching and what am I on? It's not a piranha, that's a megalodon, you idiot. 284 kilometers. 495. Wow. Bang! Yeah, it's back to 104 kilometers. What the f***? The car is still going. What? Okay. The Flamora car. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's so fast, Dad. It's a flying car. We made it to the future, Marty. We're in a flying car. What the? Is this thing? It's flying. It's legit. This car is cheating its way to the finish line. And even though it looks like it had got hit in the head by a hammer, like a massive hammer, it's still going. It's gonna break the fourth wall. Oh, it hit it. Okay, now it's just a million pieces. Wow, such good cinema. Damn, it's also this one and the other one, the Florida car. This one should have activated. Here we go. It's flying again. Oh, the front of the car is broken and it's shattered like glass. Speaking of glass, that looked like glass. We have an excavator. I have made this, of course. Why the excavator is quite slow. It's quite slow, but also pretty cool. I put ropes and the second most. Okay, this is way too slow. That will do it. Whoa, it's jumping! It's a jumping excavator. Okay, it's just sliding. He's a shipping truck. And by the way, this thing has 2 engines. Let me see how this thing goes. Yeah. Shipping has commanded. It's going to hit it in the engine in 3, 2, and a scudlater. Bang! Oh, the engine of the truck is off. The engine is showing from the excavator, and it's absolute chaos ball. Such as the limo crash car. Limo crash car. Yuck. Italian meatball. It's beautiful. By the way, why you exist. Don't think about that. Push the Italian meatball. It's like the hunter's market. I don't know what I'm talking about. The Limbo Crash car is absolute garbage. Such garbage that I'm deleting it from it. There it is. So next up we have mini little Jeep. Baby Jeeps. Little Jeepy I call them. Go little Jeepy. We're getting all of the people here. A minivan with a freaking C4 in it. Go minivan! Minivan booster! We have a monster truck! Oh yeah, look at these sweet things. Yeah. We have a very weird looking race car. And they're off. Who's on the front? No one's on the front. What is that? What is that? That's a jet engine. But to who? Yeah. This doesn't look good. Maybe it's the minivan. The Italian meatball has collapsed its front. We have the monster truck and the minivan. And we have the race car coming in like an eagle. Now we have a regular car, a small truck right next to it. Go regular car. Jesus Christ, what's going on? Why is everything lagging? Oh, maybe that condition. Let me just delete half of the map. It's gonna touch it. Oh, ooh. That broke his foot. His foot is detached. Along with the regular car, we have a small truck. Beep, beep, beep. What the? What is this? Emergency resupply crate. Okay, now we have a snake bus. This is an educational bus. So that's not it. The SUV that I did not make. Of course. The front one does the charge. No, it's the back one who does the charge. How's it going down there? The race car is still going. Maybe going on. Okay, next up the small truck and the SUV. Okay, we're just getting the truck in there. The regular old-fashioned truck. I think this is the first thing I've ever made. I think so. And already its wheels are broken. It's a really good thing to be here. Now that's been like an average C-top joke. Why do I see a light just going in circles? Get out of here! And you SUV, you're too slow. Oh no! Oh, that's what happens when your SUV is too slow. A freaking truck comes and then destroys your SUV. Why is that light freaking out like a disco? Oh yeah. What the? That looks like an N-word Germany if I've ever seen one. Real life. How is it going? Oh, it isn't looking so good. That is one disrespectful wheel. You are deleted from this universe. The small van, oh my god, my eyes. My eyes are breaking. Still none of it. Still none of them are on the end. Wait. I think I messed up some. We have this and a pop-up JDM. Yeah. This is a pod racer from Star Wars. No, I don't want to delete that. And we have a Moonstalker Walker thingamajig. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Big Gooberson. Next time I'm gonna my tanks. I have no personality, but just being lazy. But this went well. See you later. Goodbye. Love you.